Escape to your own off-grid paradise surrounded by wide-open skies and breathtaking panoramic views. Spanning 120 acres, this property offers unmatched privacy, bordering reservation land to the east. Located near St. John's, Arizona, this property offers peaceful seclusion while still being within driving distance of nearby towns for everyday essentials. Enjoy the ideal balance of privacy and accessibility with outdoor recreation and scenic destinations close at hand. The well-built home sits on a permanent foundation, thoughtfully positioned to capture natural light and passive solar warmth in winter, while staying cool through the summer months. A wraparound deck invites you to relax and take in unforgettable sunrises, sunsets, and star-filled nights. Designed for self-sufficiency, the property features solar, wind, and generator power, along with established water infrastructure. Additional improvements include a 4-car garage, greenhouse, dedicated solar building, and covered RV storage with full hookups. With gently rolling terrain, mature juniper and pinyon pines, and expansive open space, this land is perfect for outdoor recreation, homesteading, or simply enjoying peace and solitude. For more information and a private qualified showing, please contact DJ Calvin or visit HaydenOutdoors.com.